还有一段继续。要暂停吗？不用，那就直接。
When you receive the machine, we will separate the machine into two parts. The 3 pre-treatment fusion and the reverse osmosis system, they will be separated. So when you receive them, they will be in 2 parts. And then we will need to connect the pipes from here back. So these cables, they look like a mass here, but it's temporary because we are doing some testing here. Also, we need to disassemble these pipes and the cables, some of the cables, some of the pipes, so we can make them. And we will disassemble the pipes perhaps from here. So when you receive the machine, the first thing is combine the machine together like this, put them together, and then connect the pipes. This is the only pipe connection between them. And this one is for wastewater. When you wash the machine, the wastewater will come out from here. So you just connect the drain water here. And then you need to connect the cables. The cables for the electricity supply to the controller of the treatment filters. So let's go there. Oh, what here? We will disassemble like this. So all you need to do is to plug the power like this, and then here. And connect all the cables according to its number. We haven't put the numbers on the cables, but later we will put, for example, this. For example, let's say this is number 5 and number 6, and later we will put the numbers on the cable. So you just follow the numbers and connect all the cables, and then it's done. And after that, you need to have your power supply connecting to this transformer. The machine is still 380 volts, but your power is 480 volts. So you need to connect your 480 volt power into this transformer. We have the cable inlets here, and there. We have all those black parts. They are cable inlets. You can choose any one of them to insert your cables in, and then connect them to the 3 connection here. These 3, which we are not connecting anything to it. After that, we can turn on the machine, turn on the power, and turn on the machine from here, like this. And then you will start to work. And also the high pressure pump, this one for the reverse osmosis, and the raw water inlet pump, they can all be switched off like this. I mean, like when the machine is on, but if I wanna turn off one of the function, you could control them here. And usually, when it's working, we will just switch it to auto mode, all of them, and when you want to start the production, just turn off the machine from here. See, now it's working, and you can see this is the pure water flow, and here you can see the raw water conductivity, 200 microsiemens, and the pure water conductivity is getting down, reducing. Now it is 12, 10, 9, 8, 7. Generally, the pure water conductivity is around 5 to 10 microsiemens. But now our raw water quality is good, so the pure water can become like 3 microsiemens. Now we'll stop it. And And also, we have 3 controller here. These 3 controllers they are using to wash the pre-treatment filters. So, for example, this one, hot sand, we usually suggest to wash them 3 days, 1 time for bad wash, and this 5 days, 1 time, and this softener 10 days, 1 time. And the softener is special. When you wash it, you have to use salt water to wash it. So we have a tank here. Generally, we will have we will put some tap water into this tank, and then add some salt and connect it with a pipe. You see, here we have a pipe to here. I'm not sure if you can see it. To here. So when it's washing, the softener inside, it will suck the salty water into the softener. And all this time, washing time can be controlled automatically by this controller. So to adjust the time, you could follow the instruction manual, and which, let's see, we have a QR code here, Just scan it. Use your phone, scan the QR code. You can download the English version or Chinese version instruction manual for the controller, and then you can adjust the timing for the watching. So also let me tell you some other connection on the back. So this is the raw water pump, which is for the raw water inlet. So you can decide to connect this pump with a raw water tank, or you connect with your tap water connection directly with your tap water inlet directly. Now we are not using a tank. We are connecting to our tap water piping system directly. So connect it to here, and then this, I already told you, it's the wastewater for washing the pre-treatment. So connect the drain water pipe here. And the last one, here we got this one. This is the, 1 second, let me have a look. This is wastewater for the reverse osmosis system. So the machine is the capacity of this machine is 1,000 liters per hour, producing the pure water. So it takes 1,500 to 2,000 liters raw water per hour, and then it produces 1,000 liters pure water. So that means the other 500 to 1,000 liters water will become wastewater and then cut out from here. As for the pure water outlet, it's on the top. Pure water, yeah, it's here. This is the pure water outlet, which is connecting to a UV sterilizer. And this UV sterilizer, it wasn't included in our contract, but our company decided to offer you this UV sterilizer for free. So after you receive this machine, you also need to input. See this paper container. This paper container. Inside is the UV sterilizer. Take it out and then open it and then insert the UV sterilizer into this stainless steel container. Also, don't forget to plug the UV sterilizer with this power supply. So I think that would be all for the water treatment. After you receive the machine, if you have any other, one more thing, sorry. We also offer you two sets of the level sensor for free. You could use it for the pure water tank and also raw water tank. If you don't have a raw water tank, then you don't need it. But for pure water, I guess you will need a pure water tank. So we need to go to the front of the machine. So, if you want to use it for example, for your pure water tank, then you need to connect the cables to your pure water tank, which is number 11 and number 12, which is this number 11 and number 12 cables. Connect with them, and later we will put some cables on it so you will know it better. If you want to use it for the raw water tank level, you connect to the cable 9 and the cable 10. We have the numbers here. So yeah, so that's how it works. And then for pure water tank, the sensor is using to avoid overflow. So for example, here we have a tank. I will insert this level sensor into the tank, and when the pure water tank is full of water, this level sensor will flow up like this, and inside it has a ball. You hear that noise? When it becomes like this, when it go up, the balls hit the sensor inside, and then it will stop the machine working. The machine will stop producing pure water. So this is how it works for the pure water tank. As for the raw water tank, it is avoid when the pure water tank ran out of water, the machine is still working without water, and that way it will damage the motor. So the way how it works is when the raw water tank is full of water, the statue of the sensor is like this. It's like going up, and then when the tap water tank is running out of water, and this sensor will going down like this slowly, and until the ball inside hit the sensor on the other side. You hear that voice? And then you will stop working to avoid the machine running without water. So yep, so that would be all for the water treatment instruction. If you have any other question during operation, we can have a video call or any other communication to help you. Okay. So we connect this level sensor for you already, and we put the marks here. So this, see, and the 9 and the 10 cables, they are for the raw water tank level sensor, and the 11 and the 12, they are for the pure water tank sensor. If you don't, for the pure water tank sensor, you surely will need it, but for the raw water tank sensor, if you are connecting your tap water piping system directly to the machine without a tap water tank, like a raw water tank, then you need to connect the, you just take off the cables of the 9 and the 10, and then use a cable like this, connect them. One side connect to the connection 9, and another side connect to the cable 10, the connection 10. If you didn't do this, the machine won't be, you won't be able to activate the machine.